and gentlemen, welcome to another vloggy vlog on this most beautiful Tuesday morning. Nice and warm. It's like second week of October, but it's gorgeous, beautiful out. It's gonna be 80 degrees today, boys and girls. 80 degrees. And I'm running out of gas. 14 miles. I should have filled up, but I didn't when I parked it last. I was coming back from the Catskills and I was tired. I was over it. So now I'm gonna be freaking out about gas, but whatever. Another vloggy vlog. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. I've been great. I've been good. I feel like I haven't recorded one of these commute vlogs in forever. All my videos have been Catskills and faraway places. But we're finally back to the reg commute. Chilling. Busy day ahead at work. It's gonna be fine. A little bit annoyed. I think there's some credit card fraud happening on the card for the business credit card. So that's annoying. That's certainly annoying. It's not a big huge deal, but it's just a pain in the butt of reporting the fraud and then switching over all the cards to new number, all the accounts to new number, which will take a minute and a half. I hate that shit, but it is what it is. Let's not complain. But otherwise it's gonna be a pretty straightforward day. There's a bee. These bees fucking love me, bro. Come on, the longest green light in history here. For the love of spaghetti. Look at this thing. Ridiculous. Anyway, I also have a meeting today. A hour-long meeting at noon. Not very excited about it. Is this guy not gonna make the light? He is. He's just driving the speed limit very carefully. I respect that. This is gonna be a little bit of a packed day today. Why are people freaking not going? Can we please go? You fucking losers, man. Are you that stupid? What is wrong with you? You're on your stupid phone, lady. That is insane talk. Insane violation. That's fine. We're just gonna stop like this. Let's not complain. Let's be positive. Oh look, we got 16 miles now. That's better. That said, everything's fine. Everything is good. I'm actually kind of proud of myself. I've worked on motorcycles before, obviously, once or twice, but I don't usually work on cars. I've never really worked on cars, besides like basic things. And by basic things, I mean super basic things, like windshield wipers and maybe like cabin filter. Well, the other day, I changed the air filter, cabin filter, but also the oil filter on the Volvo XC40. That was fun. And my next job is going to be rotors and brake pads. Speed in the morning. Oh, that feels good. Wakes you up. Reminds you in New York City. reminds you you're fucking loving it. Oh yes, this is good. This is so good. Oh yes. I forgot how fun it is to ride. So yeah, I'm going to Pennsylvania on Saturday. My boys and I rented a cabin in like Cambridge or something. Some Pennsylvania town. It's about 230, 240 miles out from New York City. So that's where I'm going on Saturday. It's gonna take me about 4 or 5 hours. I guess 5 hours. I'm gonna do about 2 hours of highway. Probably do like 3 hours of highway and then 3 hours of back roads. Too much action for such early morning. Let's relax. Sorry. That was kind of wild. No need for that. $21,614 miles on this baby now. It's gonna be 22,000 plus by the end of the weekend, which is exciting. Got a bit of a competition with my buddy Russ. The mileage competition. I mean, he's way ahead. I'll never catch up to the man, but it's fun. Beautiful morning in Dumbo. Really nice. Tomorrow it's gonna rain. Gotta make sure these dudes are not changing lanes. Gotta be light on the bars. Look at these savages. Oh, everybody's going actually their direction today. No low braking. Good. Oh, that guy did. Good. We got plenty of gas. We got 25 miles now, so we're obviously gonna make it. We're obviously gonna make it. You got it. You got it, kid. That Volvo is cute as hell. Look at this thing. C30. Turbo 5-cylinder. I think that's what that means. Maybe not. I don't know. I don't know nothing about Volvos. I just drive them. Yeah, right. I don't even drive them. I just change oil in them. So crazy. I mean, it's not really crazy, but when I wake up in the morning now for work, it's dark. I don't like that. The seasons, man. It's crazy. The fact that Earth is around the sun and all that. There's a lot of complicated equations happening. Volvo. That's a cute little license plate. Can I please just go around you there, Smallville? Look at all the tourisms. People got little jackets on, little outfits. Look at this beauty. Frickin' Dumbo. We got the Brooklyn Bridge over there. We got the Manhattan Bridge over here. Wicked tourisms. People are just freaking geeking, bro. This is it. They've been waiting to come here their whole life. And they're finally here. This is the block. This is the view. Fuck yeah. Let's party. I totally forgot that I'm going to work. Damn it. It's fine. Gonna get some gas after work. Fill this baby up. No stopping anytime here. I'm gonna try to park on the next block over there. We'll see if it's possible. There's some probably spots over there, but my brother. I'm gonna park right here. This is gonna be fine. That's a good spot, if I say so myself. If anything, I could park closer to the Volkswagen. Good. Now we got 12 miles left. So we're gonna make it home. We're gonna make it home. But they're washing the sidewalk here. Look how beautiful the bike is. And we got beautiful Manhattan skyline in the background with the Manhattan Bridge. That's right. This bag's been really good. The Kriega 20 R20. And yeah, I didn't even mention it. Revit. You might be seeing a lot more Revit on the channel soon. That's going to be exciting. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. We shall talk soon. Bye.